this, or should you?
I don't know. Do you want to introduce it?
Yeah, yeah. Welcome to the fascinating world of binary options. Um, yeah, we've been gone for a while,
Yeah.
and
Todd had a
don't
private.
even blame me or
Todd had
anything.
a private disease. I can't really talk about it right now.
Yeah. Um, the long and the short here is that we're here tonight, and we are gonna try to make this work. Back in the early stages of this whole thing, we first started, we actually did pretty good, and we kind of lost our way, and I don't know, started a bunch of different things. Started trying out new strategies and stuff that we found on
You know when it all went
YouTube's amazing.
downhill? It all went downhill when we looked at Katie Tutorial's video and started trying to do her crap.
Yeah,
Dude,
that's what I'm saying.
I
Like,
think that's when it all went downhill.
started doing all this nutty crap, and then uh,
But
I'm eating peanut butter. Just
you
you
are
know.
so stupid. Uh, if you look in our chat right now, you'll see our four trades 30, 330, 750, 1690, 3810. Now, those are some big numbers, man. Are you ready to go for this for real? I mean, that's more than what you've been doing. I mean,
Uh,
you've been doing these $50 plans, but I really don't think that we need to. I mean, if we're going to do it, let's just freaking do it. If we start, like, for example, if we start at $50, if we started at
mhm.
$50, your first trade would be $1.10. Well, we won't get to $150 until day 17. We'll be here 17 days before we even get to where we could start right now.
Wait, really?
So,
Really?
yeah, if we start at $50, it'll take us 17 days to get to today. So we could just say that we're starting with $50 balance and just start on day 17, you know? But on day 30,
Right.
you're only making $131 a year. I mean, it just kind of messes it up. Day 60, you're making $1,000 a year. You got to go all the way down here to. It just takes forever, dude. And well, it
Right.
doesn't take forever, really. As day 100, you're making 30, but you would be starting on. I just think we should start at 150 and just go with it because we're not going to blow our accounts. We're not going to full martingale. So we already talked about this today. The worst case scenario, if we go to a fourth trade and make it and lose it, you're going to lose $65. So you're really risking $65 on the martingale, and then
Which
we'd
is
have to make our
significant. I
money
mean, that's a
back.
lot,
Yeah,
but
but Haley has 150, so I mean that's still she would still have like $90 in her account that we could use to recover
right,
that $65. So
right.
we're not going to blow our accounts. I mean, if we blow our
No,
accounts,
we got to do this. If we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it.
so
So,
okay, so what's your account balance right now?
my account balance is 412.49.
412.49. So I'm going to make this chart here. You're starting at 150, so I got to figure out what that is. 412.49 minus 150, so you're fortifying $262. 49 cents. So there's your trading balance, 150 bucks. So today we've got to make our four trades. Our daily growth today is only 10 bucks.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
But
It's
that's
it's
$10, dude. If I could make $10 a day, that's better than I've been doing.
well, yeah, dude,
That's not a
because
lot of money, but dude, that's $100 a week.
well, yeah, that's what's gonna happen. Tomorrow it'll be 11. The next day it'll be 12. The next day it'll be 13. It's gonna go up, dude. I mean, by day 30, you're making 77 bucks a day. Okay,
Yeah.
and then by day, by day 60, you're making $592 a day, dude. This plan is 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 tight, but the only thing I can say about starting this new plan is we can fortify by going backwards or by more likely by staying at a level for a few days if we want to.
Right.
If we want to stay at a few
Which
days.
probably would be safe to do at some point.
Yeah, I mean if we go up 5 or 10 levels and say let's stay here for 3 or 4 days, then we just stay there. None of this has to feel out of control, dude.
That's
That's
what
what I
I'm
don't
saying,
want to
dude.
do.
I would rather do this over the long term, and
We don't have to.
because
We're not in a hurry. We're just literally going to do this every night. Four wins a night, and if we want to do fortification, we just say let's just do. Let's just stay on this level another night or two. That's all.
yeah,
I don't want to go
exactly.
backwards. I don't want to add 6 trades. I don't want to add this. I don't want to change how many.
Yeah, I'm with you, dude. I don't want to do that either.
I mean,
Um,
I don't want to. I'd rather do 4 a night than 3 because I think we can. I think 4 is probably
well,
fine.
4 grows fast,
A
significantly
lot
faster.
faster. Yeah, I think it's worth it if we're here.
And what day do you say you get to like $100,000 a year?
On day number 56.
Okay.
I mean, that's a couple months, dude. I mean, it's well before Christmas, well before
Excuse me.
Thanksgiving, even. And thank you for that. So write down your trades. I put them in the chat. So write down your trades, or you
Okay.
can just. You probably need to write them down because you don't want to lose them.
If
Uh,
we haven't been on here in a while, so I don't know if anybody even watches us anymore.
well, we got one watcher.
Do we?
Yeah, I telegrammed out. We got Telegram subscribers. You can always listen to us on Spotify. We had one of the best podcasts on binary options, and then Todd's diseases and stuff. We had to stop.
My
Um,
diseases? Yeah, I don't think so. Oh, it's Haley. She probably didn't expect to see us doing this. Hi, Haley.
she thought that I quit.
Well, she didn't know we were going to be trading tonight.
Well, dude, I'm telling you, this has got to work because we only have 4 deep, and then after that, we have to go into some kind of rescue mode.
Yeah.
I mean, we'd have to
Which
make
I've
like,
never rescued this much loss if we lose these kind of trades. But
yeah, but you're talking about like if you take okay, so if we lose $65,
well, actually, I have. Yeah,
you
I've
have
rescued more than that. Yeah,
we would be down to about $90 in our account, in my account or Haley's.
I've rescued more than that. So
So we would have to make like $10 trades, and we'd only have to win 4 or 5 or 6 of them.
right,
Without losing. And we couldn't martingale. Is that what we're going to do to rescue? I mean, just go back down
basically,
to a lower number and then just start making trades and just sort of try to win back our $65.
yeah. So go look at Apple right now because this sucker is just climbing like crazy,
Okay.
and it hasn't had any red candles yet. But I'm wondering where the pullback is going to be in this. Um, so it's looks like it's slowing down now. Do you see it?
Not yet. I'm writing one more thing down.
Well, you're gonna miss out.
Well, you know how to trade.
I do, but I want to get a second set of eyes on this because I want you to help me draw out. There it
All right.
goes. It's crashing down now.
What, Apple?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm looking at Apple.
What do you think? Do you think this is going to go 2 candles or just one? This is a pretty big pullback.
It's
So.
a pretty big pullback. I mean, it's oversold.
You ready?
Yeah, you could take it. I'm ready. If you think that's a pullback, I don't know that there's any. I mean, it did pull back before. Look, it pulled back. It went up and pulled back. Went up, pulled back. It's not. I'm not sure there's any resistance lines, but it's definitely oversold. Surely, definitely oversold, and it's been doing it. So let's just. I mean, you're the one that's been doing this. This is your method. So if you've got the gut feeling.
I believe this
If
is
I
gonna
see
be a
anything
winner.
that looks like totally crazy, like in terms of my indicators, they're just totally off, then I'll tell you. But
All right, this is going down. Come on, go down. Go down.
got 25 seconds on this.
There it goes. Oh yeah.
The stochastic is cricked
Oh,
down, and I
thank
think
the
it's
Lord.
going
Look at
down.
that. It's going
17
down.
seconds. I'm going to actually, if this wins, I'm going to do our first happy dance of this time. This will be
This will
90.
be our first win, and I believe. Come on, launch down. Come on.
Dang it.
Oh,
Dang it.
crap.
Dang it. Oh, it almost, did it win?
Oh no, but it almost did.
Oh, crap. Yeah, it didn't win, did it?
Well, that was such a good one too. It was in the money most of that time. I mean, like most of that time, it was in the money. But this is one where like I feel like it's gonna go down. I'm not ready to take another entry on this, but
Heck no.
but I feel like this could go. I mean, I'm surprised it didn't. That didn't.
Yeah,
win.
it did the last time it did that. It went up and then it boom went down. See, it is going down.
Yeah.
It is oversold and it is wanting to go down. And look, it really was. It's bottoming out now. So, I mean, this is weird because it's like I think we should just switch charts each time.
Well,
I mean,
yeah, we're gonna switch charts. I'm not.
like this is kind of blown now because it's possibly consolidating. It's oversold for sure. I mean, it's definitely oversold or overbought, and it's like wanting to go down, but now it might just keep going up. So let me go draw some lines and see if I can find you a second trade. Reset your value to what,
750. I got
750.
it.
Uh, I'm just gonna try to find some that look like they might.
Either a turnaround from the bottom or the top, one way or the other. But that was a good entry, though. I mean, that was not a bad entry at all.
No, there wasn't much support, but I mean, the stochastic was definitely where it needed to be. Um, let's see here. You want it? Do you want it to be have been going down for a while and then or been going up for a while? Do you want it to be not near the white line?
But yeah, but it's
Pfizer.
got to be
Look
kind
at
of.
Pfizer. Pfizer's. I don't know. Pfizer's kind of at a line. Hit a line. It's you missed it, but it
This
was
is
going
not really.
down.
That's not. That's too close to the line, though. I think, but
But that
as
was a
it's
pull up candle. It hit that resistance line. And it started going up. So I don't know. But you tell me if that looks weird. I don't know. I'm trying
uh,
to find.
no.
Trying to.
What's more likely a good candidate is Tesla
Yeah, I'm looking at Tesla right now. It's
because
going
it's going to
down.
hit here, and then this is going to be probably a genuine pullback. But the stochastic is not in the position I want it to be.
No, it's not. This could go down quite a bit, actually. This could go through that. And Tesla's got a lot of like big wicks. I'm not sure if. Yeah, I don't know where you want the stochastic at. Kind of like oversold or something.
Oversold or overbought.
You want it kind of where, like the last one we just took, kind of like that. Like it's up there. It looks like it's going to turn around.
Yeah, it needs to be in the position of it ready to turn around.
Mm. I'll look around. I'm gonna look around and find him.
Odd JPY looks like. It's kind of crazy looking though.
Look at Boeing real quick. It's a big old candle. It hit the white line. The white line is all up in it, so I'm not sure, but it's that candle's a massive pullback. I don't know.
Yeah, it's off the white line though.
Yeah, you don't want them. You don't want candle. You don't want charts that are like right up, all tied up with
I
the white
want it
line.
one that's gonna go to the wants to go to the white line, not pull away
Okay.
from it, not reject it off of it.
Okay. Yeah, you want ones that are sort of like USD RUB, but that's sort of set up on a line. I'm just gonna keep looking. I don't think we have to rush into this because
No,
like USD JPY is actually doing it right now. You've missed it, but like we can watch this and see if it actually would have turned around. It's oversold. It went down.
okay, like odd JPY is really ripe for a pullback, but it's also coming off a weird line that I don't like the look of. But it is right at a line now, like it feels like it's about to drop, and um,
Yeah, it's wanting to go up. Yeah, that one's not bad. It's
it's
hitting
real
that
close to the
line.
white line though, and that little consolidation thing it did, I don't know, that kind of rules it out for me.
Yeah, it's not like it climbed up like that last mountain. It climbed straight up and then turned around. You know, it did it
Okay.
almost like perfect. This one,
Odd USD looks like it's about to go up. All right, I'm taking this because I think it's going to go up here. It's teetering on there. There we go. There we go. Yeah,
why do you think
that's
that
it.
was going to go up there? Because
Well,
it broke out of that
because
box.
it broke out of that box, and it's just like launching up there.
It's got some wicks though. It's at a wick right now. I mean, you're above the wick. That's a decent position. The
This is gonna
stochastic
go.
and the
This is
Mac.
gonna go high, dude. I think this is gonna shoot up there.
Yeah, the stochastic and the MACD are definitely in the right spot. I mean, you called that. You're a little bit. You're off the bottom of it, but I mean that's a good position. Yeah, I agree with you. I would have been nervous, but you saw something in the candle
Oh yeah.
pressure that says it's
Oh
going
yeah.
up.
Thank you, Lord. Look at that one. That's gonna go up. I think this will be our win, dude. I think this will be our win.
Oh, then yeah, for sure, you got that one. There you go. Dang, bro. All right. Good job, man. Reset back down to 330.
I didn't consult with you on that, but I saw it happening and I couldn't.
Yeah, don't consult with me. You're the button pusher.
All right. Well, look at the stochastic on that. You see what it's doing? It's like
Yeah.
it's buried down there under the 20. And then it was cricking up.
Kind of broke above
MACD was
that.
below the histogram, and that was just ready to go. I mean, I could see it was already going up, but it was just like ready to
Yeah, you saw it
launch
teetering
up
up
there.
there. Well, it kind of jumped.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Um.
Ballsy, but good.
Yeah, it was kind of ballsy.
That was kind of ballsy. All right, that's one. We only need 3 more.
Only 3 more. Yeah, that was it.
Okay, I'm going to start looking again. You need to reset to 330.
330. Got it. Yep.
Oh, wow. Holy crap.
What?
on JPY, just like
I saw it.
shot
Yeah, I
up
was
there.
just looking at it.
Then it just shot back down. Like, what the heck? Odd USD, is that the one? Yeah, you just did odd USD.
Okay.
Oh, CHFJPY.
CHFJPY.
Yeah, you can take that next. You can take it, dude. I'm pretty sure. I mean, it hit a line. I mean, if you feel it, it's going.
Yeah,
I feel like.
I trust this one. I think I trust this one. I think I do.
Well, that's a lot of consolidation right there. What the freak? What the freak?
I don't know. It still may go up.
Well, that's true. It might. It might just be bouncing because it hit. Yeah, look at that. I mean, it hit the bottom there. It kind of hit the bottom. There's a line. There's kind of a line down here. Yeah, and it went underneath that line like beautifully, and then it bounced. I actually do think this one's going to win. Weirdly enough, it's kind of fighting itself, but
come on, go green. Go
as long
green.
as it
There
goes
we go.
green in the last,
Big
I've
green
noticed in
candle
the
here.
last section. Yeah, there you go.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come on, keep going up there.
I've noticed that the first 30 seconds of the candle don't tell you like if it's going to do it.
This is going to go big, dude. I think this is going.
Yeah. That one's going to be a big one. Yeah. I think it's the last like 20 to 30 seconds of the candle that really show you what it's wanting to do. There you go. There you go.
All right.
You go. Boom. Look at that, man. I mean, that's that
I was half tempted
position.
to take this next one, but I don't think
Oh,
it's gonna keep
geez.
going up.
I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. It's just a down.
Might. I don't know, but who knows? But I go for that second candle.
It wanted to return. Yeah, this might consolidate because it tried to consolidate in that second candle. It tried to go back down there.
So you see exactly how my strategy works, right?
Absolutely.
And it is a dang.
Yeah, I saw
strategy.
CHF. I saw that and thought, okay, here you go. You got a candle that's
we both saw it at the same time, obviously. Yeah.
Yeah, we did. And it's at a line. I mean, it's at a clear line. It hit that clear line and bounced off of it. It just bounced, and it kind of scared me.
Look at all JPY. Look at this one, okay? This chart is the one that I stayed away from because of the fact that it had this big, like, weird, not really consolidation, but I don't know what that was. And then it had a massive green candle, then a massive red candle. Then it's like consolidating. It's green, red, green, red. I mean,
it did have doji and then red. Then it kind of like it went up and then just acted weird.
That just went really wacko.
I don't know. Yeah, and this chart looks kind of crazy. I mean, all of this chart looks crazy, at least in the last 3 or 4 hours. I mean, or a couple hours here that I can see. I'm not sure how much. I can see 4 hours. I mean, there's just big candles. There's just crazy looking.
Let me go. I'm gonna go look at the stocks real quick. Just
okay, I'm gonna roll through them too. Let's see. Oh, Boeing. Yeah, I don't know,
Now
man.
look at, I don't know. That looked odd anyway, but
What, Boeing?
American Express.
Yeah, it kind of.
The way it pulled back was kind of funny because it obviously that candle shot down when it
Mm-hmm.
started.
It shot down. It was already above its line of support. Had a lot of momentum to break through that line. It didn't. It didn't go up there smoothly. It kind of went up there, kind
Okay,
of.
Boeing. Yeah, Boeing looks like it is at a massive. Like there's a line straight across there. This one Boeing could have fooled me if I was on it though,
Yeah, that's what I
because
was gonna
that
say.
that
That
green
little green
candle there.
candle. Yeah, but it wasn't quite down to its level yet. But it is overbought or oversold, and it it seems like. But Boeing has a lot of big wicks and big candles. So I would have told you to be careful on this one because
Right.
I felt like I said Boeing when I saw that green candle, but then I saw it just shoot back down. Boeing's too volatile to me, don't
I
you
feel like
think?
the charts in general tonight. I'm seeing a lot of volatility.
Like if I was gonna do Boeing, I would do like a 4 minute call on it, because I think it's going up from here. But then that's just not what we're doing. But that's what
Right.
I would do from right here. I would not count on it. Don't do that. But I would not count on it like just being a single candle. Like now it's going up, but I don't know. Do you think it's got one more green candle? I don't know. It might go back down. That Boeing is just way too volatile. I think it's just look
Johnson
at
and
that.
Johnson. We just missed our second candle, but it's also not at a clear line, so I don't know that I would
Yeah,
know.
Johnson and Johnson's kind of scary. Johnson and Johnson's that was a little teeny candle. I mean, I'm not sure. At this point, I think it's probably still going up because it's getting ready to double cross. But then again,
Mm-hmm.
that's a
Yeah,
big
it
green
is.
candle.
It is still looking like it's going up. I mean, I could call this candle, but I don't know.
I don't know though because I mean, it's not really your turnaround. It's got different levels. So it's like it stopped here and then it went down and then it like dojied and then it went up. And if you look at Johnson, it's kind of like that. There's tons of dojis and little and wicks.
Okay, look at McDonald's though.
I feel like they have to kind of look like they're
McDonald's
okay.
is tricky though because it's not got the pattern that I'm looking for because it's about
Mm-hmm.
to hit a kind of a good line here right now, but
Oh yeah, it's at a line right now, like this
I
level
don't
right
know.
here.
But look, it's had red, green, red, green. So when it does that, it I don't know. It tends to want to do that. So I don't know.
Yeah, but this is a line. This is a real line. This is its first real line that it's hit.
Yeah.
Um, it's back there quite a bit, quite a ways. It's been climbing. I would say because of this line, then you'd be safe to like maybe get a rejection, but it could just be on a really slow uptrend. Like it's just
Right.
it did get two red candles
I mean,
there.
it is way up there, and it is at a pretty solid line, like right now. So, and there's the first candle. So,
Yeah, if this engulfs, I would take it. And this might be one of those ones you might want to take from here for like 3 minutes because it, I don't know though. I mean, look
still
at,
climbing though.
yeah, I'm not sure about this one. This one might just be going up. It might
It
be
might just be going up. Yeah.
the
Uh,
only indication I have that this might turn is that one level of resistance way back there. But both of the signals say 3 and a 5 minute put. And I do agree with that.
if this doji's out, it's probably going to go down. The next candle, I almost could take the next candle because this is probably going to be a red candle, but I don't know for sure. I'm not going to take it, but I feel like this is probably going to throw a red candle anytime. I mean, it's like barely going up. I feel
It's
like if
kind
I
of well,
took a
it's
3 or 4 minute put
yeah. I was
right
gonna say
here,
take a 3 minute put, but do it from way up. You got to wait till it gets up. Well, now it's going down. You got to wait till like right now, like right here. Take about a 3 minute put from up there, like
right
there.
now,
Yeah, like now before it dips. There. That's what I'm saying. Because if we're gonna win it, it's gonna be off that line of support right there, and it's gonna go down soon. Both of my
right?
signals from Pocket Option are saying a 2 and a 4 minute put. So I think you did what, a 3 minute?
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, if this is gonna go down, it's gonna
I
go
mean, we
down
got
right
it like
here.
right at that line, so we'll see.
Yeah, you got a good position. You got as good a position as you could have.
That's probably about as good as it's going to get.
And now we just wait because, like,
Now we wait, and we
okay,
don't. And we don't play TikTok noises that are gonna
okay.
get us copyright
We got
strike.
the MACD and the
I
stochastic
believe we're
both
gonna win this,
cricking.
bro, because it's
Yeah,
going
dude.
down.
I think so too. Let's imagine we would have waited for this red one and taken a 1 minute and seen if we'd win it. But I think that's dangerous because this could consolidate up here. Although
Well, it's already dropped down below that, so I think we're safe.
yeah, I think we're good.
I mean,
Yeah, I mean because the stochastic and MACD have cricked down. You know, the signals are now implying calls, which these pocket option signals are freaking hilarious.
yeah,
I mean, I did like the fact that it was saying off that line of resistance. That line of resistance is way back there though. You know, but it's a pretty strong line. So I'll be surprised if we lose this one because of the condition of the MACD and stuff. I think even if it goes up, it's not going to break that line that I'm on.
it is slow moving, but it's kind of
Yeah, it's going down. Look at it. It's still wanting to go down. We got 1 minute 21. The only problem is if it gets some kind of but look at the MACD and stochastic, man. They're still going down.
they're tanking.
They're tanking. They just crossed
It's
the 80
going down.
line.
It slowly looks like it's going down. So I mean, it's just going. It's just moving really slowly down.
That's actually a good thing on a long trade. You want it to move slow. Yeah, I don't want it to do that.
You just don't want it to go upward.
So if you had waited for that engulfing candle and then took that 1 minute candle, I mean, you might have won it because that's a tiny little red doji. It could have possibly won. I guess it would have maybe.
Yeah, maybe, but I don't know.
It's possible.
I hope this turns red though, because I'm feeling. I want it to go red. There we go.
So that was a 3 minute.
So
I think that was a right. I think that was the right
that
thing.
was a 3 minute.
No, I'm glad you didn't take it
Still got
when it was
30
at the.
seconds on this, so I'm hoping we get another red candle here.
I think so. I'm glad you didn't take it at the bottom of that red candle, which on these kind of trades, just for your future reference, which you already know this, you got to try to get it as high as possible because I've done these where, you win, but only because you got it at the very, like you got it above. You got it above support.
All right, so we can play a happy dance. We got this one.
Okay, happy dance, baby. Yeah, baby. Okay, you got it above support. That was a great trade, dude.
That was a good one. That was good.
Position. And look at it now, dude. That was just in the nick of time because look at it now.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we would have lost it any later.
At a 5. I'm thinking for these kind of trades, dude, like a 3 minute is probably plenty. Mm-hmm. Like, I mean, maybe if it would have really turned and went straight down, we might have won a 5 minute, but I've lost a lot of 5 minute trades just because, it was in the money for like 4
Do you realize
minutes.
we've had a loss and 3 consecutive wins?
Yeah, I do realize that.
My strategy
in 28 minutes.
I trust this strategy. It's really good. I really trust this.
Yeah, dude. I mean, you've become, a little more refined in your strategy, and it's weird.
It was the disease that I've had while we were going.
Yeah, it's weird because what I'm doing is real similar to what you're doing, and so I'm able to help you find like that. I would have definitely taken a 3 to 5 minute put on this, from up here. Just
and you might have won it.
It looks like I might have won the 5 if this candle goes down another red, but I'm not saying we need 5 minutes. I think like you said the other day, 4 minutes is probably about as long as
what I think is that if you're looking at it and you're in the money like the whole time, then you took too long of a trade. I mean, if you're looking at it like and you're like, dang, I'd have won this like minutes ago, and then it goes out of the money, you took too long of a trade. You only need to take an extended. If you can win it in 1 minute, that's all you should take. If you need 3 minutes because you don't think that's what it's going to require, then
look at Boeing, dude. Boeing's almost going to engulf. I'm not sure. Is there a line? It's not quite at its line. It could go down a little further. It's not, but it
doesn't look like it's at any kind of a line, honestly.
Not yet. It's going to be there in about the next couple red candles. It's going to be at that bottom. It's going to be at this bottom right here. I think This one's kind of weird because it's heading straight down. I mean, it's like, but it kind of keep wanting to turn around. I don't think it's going to turn around until it hits that line,
Sometimes
though.
they turn around without being at the line. That happens. I mean, they don't. It's not always an exact science, but
You
I
see the
tend to
line that
only
it's
take the ones that are, at a line of some sort because that's the only ones you can really be sure about. Unless I really sense it. Like if I just look at it and
What
I'm
do you
like, okay,
sense in this one? Is it going to go down to that line? Is it going to? It's got a line that's
I
about an
sense
inch.
it's got a lot of down pressure still. It's just kind of bouncing. I don't really see. I mean, it doesn't have a bottom wick to it, really. I mean,
It's
um,
yeah. I'm.
what I kind of will know when the next candle happens if I feel it or not. But that doesn't just because I feel it doesn't mean that's really what it's
It's
going to
not
be.
it yet. It's not to the
Yeah,
line
I
yet.
just don't think it's going to go yet. I think it's still
But let's watch this for a minute because this one could be our final
this
win.
could
We only
go.
need one
This could
win.
go up. I could almost call this when it dips down because that's doji, and then this is going to go up.
It's going to engulf, and it's close enough to its line.
If this were to dip down, I would take it. But I actually was gonna take when it doji's out like that. It's moving slow and it doji's out. That's a good sign that you
But
could
it could
probably,
consolidate, and it could go right back down. It's had one single candle. It's had one single green candle 2 or 3 times here.
yeah.
But
But
it's
it's breaking above that. It's probably going.
yeah. I mean, this could be your next kind of candle color. You could even take this next time it dips. I guess if you think it is. I mean, do what you want. Stochastic's getting ready to go up. It's all oversold. I mean, if you get a good position, I'd go for it. If you think, I don't know. It's
I'm gonna go for it because I think it's gonna go up. I think it will.
it's it's cracking up. Like I said, it didn't hit bottom, but it wants to hit bottom. So let's see. That was a good position. That was a
My
decent
position's a
position.
little high, but it's
Higher than it ended, but not high for where it's been. That candle wick is pretty high up there.
yeah. Come on, there you go.
Come on, baby. I want this win.
Come
This will be
on.
our fourth win.
I want this win so we can wrap it up. We can be all done and come on, just shoot up there way
Well,
high
look at the
and
MACD and stochastic on this one, dude. It's moving. I mean, it's
come on,
pushing.
just keep going. Push up, push up. Come on, push up. No, 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 push up.
False bottom.
Oh crap. No, 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 no. Push up. No, no. Oh my gosh, come on. Really? Don't
Well, that
do
was a
this to me.
total false bottom right there.
Don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. Really? Really? Wow. Okay.
Okay. All right, you're going to 750.
All right. I guess we got to get a win. I don't want to do this on the last trade. I don't want to go deep on the last trade.
No, we're not going to. Look at that. It's going back up. But I think we should switch charts or wait till this hits bottom. It hasn't hit bottom yet. That's but it's making its own bottom here. So I'm not sure about this, man. This one
It's like ripe for a turnaround, but I thought that candle was it.
yeah, it almost was, dude.
It did the same thing the very first trade did to us.
If you took it after that doji, you would have won.
Yeah, and sometimes I feel like doing that because when it dojis like that, you know the next candle's about to flip.
Yeah.
Usually.
Right now, it's just unsure. It could consolidate down here because it's definitely not.
I don't know. This is crazy right here.
Yeah, it's kind of created its own little bottom, but man, that was all turning up too. I'm not even sure now. According to our rules, we need to move
Yeah.
because now it's setting up a box, and we don't really know if it's gonna break it or not. And
This is a definite box. Yeah, this is a box. Okay. Well,
it's
yeah,
setting
we
up a
gotta.
box, and I don't think you want to take another trade on this one, do you?
I don't because it's boxed in there.
Yeah, it's gonna have to. I'm not even sure this isn't gonna keep going down.
Yeah, it could. Was that Boeing?
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Let's look for another really good one that feels good.
I mean, Cisco's at a line, but it's kind of going. It's kind of going above it.
Yeah, it's kind of already broken that line.
but it's kind of already.
It's kind of close to the white line too, and the MACD is going up. So it already had its single red candle pullback, but it didn't engulf. I mean, I don't know. That one looks kind of funny to me. It's got a lot of random candles. Let's look for one that looks like it's actually doing something. Pfizer just had a single doji and turned around and tanking. I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know. I guess I don't know if we would have taken that one or not. That doji, it's not really at a line.
Usually, if it doji's out like that, I mean, with being way overbought, overbought.
So is this one going to the white line? I don't know, man. Sort of could or couldn't.
It's hard to say, but I don't think I'd take it after that.
It's not at any like line specifically at any line.
Even that last one, we were in the money most of that time.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, like some of these just have wicks everywhere, like Tesla.
Or like random candles. Some are little, some are huge. They're not like even.
Yeah, it's kind of hard to know. Alibaba looks strange. It's in like a box.
Mm-hmm. All we got to do is find one more good win, man. That's why I love this new method.
Yeah.
What did we just lose on Boeing? Yeah, Boeing kind of broke above and it's heading up, but I mean, we're too late now. But no, it's still boxing. Yeah, that's dangerous. Apple, dude, go look at Apple because Apple's been doing something weird. It's got a red candle right now. It's kind of at a line. I mean, I don't know if you think that next candle is going to be red. I mean, it's kind of.
I don't know because it's been doing that every other. Like it's not.
Yeah, it goes up like 3 or 4 grand, then down 2 or 3,
it's
and
a
then
pattern. It's not.
Yeah, and it's. I'm not sure, man. That one's the stochastic's going up. I mean, that could totally go up.
I'm sure that I'm not taking a trade on it.
Yeah, that one's kind of too. There's too many engulfing candles, or too many like candles that are doing that. You need it to be smoothly going a direction and then turn around, right?
Right.
All right. Well, let me look for that because
that's not it.
Intel is heading down and it's getting close to a line.
Oddcat is about to hit a line right now, and it's just been climbing up. But it's kind of close to the white line. I mean, it just sort of crossed over.
Yeah, if it goes up, I think this line is not it, but there's another line up there, the second line, that it's heading towards. It's possible it bounces off that one because it's bounced off it a few times. I think it's going straight through this one because the MACD and stochastic are kind of pointing up, right? But like it might actually go, like keep watching it because it might go up. You see that second line?
Yeah.
If it hits that and turns around, then yeah, I would say because this chart is going up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. It's doing it. Well, crap, I don't know. It could be.
Well, it's going to pull back because I figured it would at that line. I don't know how far. It's not real super overbought.
Right. I mean, like it could just. Dang. I mean, it probably is going to head back up.
I feel like calling it from here, but
yeah. I mean,
it's
a probably
big candle. I mean, I should just call it from right here because it's probably going to shoot right back up, but I'm not going to.
Yeah, don't do that because I do think it's going up, but now it's like all turning down. I mean, that's weird. It's weird. I mean,
I don't know. It may not go.
It may not go back up. It may just go back down from here. It's been going down. It may just start heading down from here and go all the way back down to this line, and then turn around again because it's overbought now. I mean, that's the hard thing about some of these resistances is you don't know how far it's. Like I thought that it was going to go through that line, and you were right. It pulled back. Now it hit the white line, but it's been going up. It's been going up and through the white
But
line.
because of the size, see why that's going up. I said you probably could call it not because it's going way up, but because I knew that would retract some because it just went too far too fast.
Mm-hmm.
You would have want to call from down there on that for
Well,
sure.
dang, yeah. Look at that. I never would have thought that. But now, what is it going to do?
um,
I mean, is it just over?
Consolidate maybe.
I mean, it's just weird. Okay, Intel's got a pull. I don't know, man. Intel's probably not going to be your cup of tea right now either, but it's very close to the bottom, and it just had an engulfing candle. But it's been having some green candles sprinkled through. It's moving real slow, and they're kind of small. Okay, this one. Okay, back to OddCAD. It's going up.
Intel.
Yeah, Intel I thought was decent because it's
I don't
getting
know. I
down.
was about to call that when it. I mean,
Yeah, I think because it's kind of at the bottom on Intel. I mean, yeah,
yeah, it's too late now. I missed it, but yeah, I could have called that one. That would have probably been.
it
But I
kind
don't know.
of it kind of hit a bottom, and it's kind of at the bottom now. I don't know what it's gonna do. It's, it's got a MACD and a stochastic cross. It kind of hit the bottom. I mean,
It
it
could
could
go
keep.
up 3 candles, but I'm not going to take the chance.
Yeah, I'm not sure, man. I don't know because it's kind of at a line now. It could consolidate. It's been kind of going up and then back down and then going up. I tend to think it's still wanting to go back down, but that would have been a good turnaround. I kind of saw that one coming. It's kind of confusing. Okay, OddCAD is turning. It's okay. It hit that second line of resistance. It's got a little red candle right here. Go look at it. It's starting to, but I don't know. I mean, like, dude, it's at a line.
Oh, this is the one we were just on.
Yeah, I mean, it kind of shot down, then it shot back up. It hit that second line. I mean, it could go straight through that. It's going through it right now. It's just this one's weird.
It's already broke above that.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I don't trust that one either, just because of the way it's like it could. This one could just keep going. Could actually go all the way up to here.
Yeah.
Even if this goes red, it could just be one red and then just keep going up.
Right. It's I don't know. It's kind of close to the white line still to me, but that could be because the white line's going through everything. So
Okay, Intel is heading back down, but it's like heading towards a line. If it hits that line down there, it could turn around. It's got up pressure, it's definitely, but it's in a downtrend. I'd be nervous about taking a call on this one because it's in a
yeah,
decent downtrend.
that's not my strategy right there.
It keeps going down. It keeps wanting to go back down. None of these are not good. I'm gonna move on. We're missing something probably somewhere else.
Probably.
Oh crap! Yeah, American Express just did it. Green
Really?
candle, massive turnaround candle. Yeah, it was off a line too.
I'm looking for
Yeah,
Oddcat is going to do it here soon. I think.
yeah. I think you're right. I mean, it's overbought big time. It's just the MACD and the moving averages kind of scare me because they're kind of just straight up. But if you think that this is actually the turnaround, but it's heading.
I don't know when it's going to happen.
I think it's going to have to hit that upper level, way up there, like 10 candles from now, like that second line, like that big
but
hump.
it's kind of slowing down. When it slows down in dojis like that, it kind of.
Yeah, it kind of
But
it's
now it's
had.
getting some energy. So I think
Yeah, I
it's
mean, I
gonna.
think I think this is one of those ones that's going up to that next line because it's already broken that line. I think it's going to just keep going up to that line. I think you know what I mean. Well,
Yeah.
actually, is it? Yeah, it's broken above. It's broken above that level, and it's just going to keep going. I think, unless it doesn't. It doesn't have to. It doesn't have to go all the way up. If it slows down and turns around, it could at any time. I guess the MACD is getting closer to that point where it's going to. The stochastic's been oversold for a long time. You know, or overbought. What is it? Overbought. It's been overbought for a long time. It's
Hmm.
dojiing now, but it's still. Remember, every one of these candles has a pretty good amount of up pressure.
Hmm.
So unless it gives us a clear engulfing red, I would probably. I don't know. You tell me what you think. It's just feels like it feels like it's reaching, but I don't know. You think it's gonna have another red candle here?
I'm not convinced, but who knows?
Yeah, that was kind of yeah.
I mean, I guess so. I don't
I'm
know. The
not. I'm not
stochastic
super
is now freaking
convinced.
down, but it may go back up. It might just
Yeah, I
break
mean,
out
I
and go
think you
back
could
up.
take like a 4 minute call on this because I think I'm
I
not
don't think I
sure.
would call it. I'm not confident in calling it for sure, but
No, I'm not either. But I'm just saying, like, feels like it's going to that next line
I don't
to
know that
me.
it's gonna. I don't know that this would be a win because it may go back up
Right.
before this expires out. See,
Because you're not at a level right now. You're actually in between two levels. So,
right?
I mean, that's what I mean. It's going to reach. I think it's reaching
Yeah,
still for
you're
that
right. I
level.
could have taken a call there and we would have won it.
Yeah,
But
because I think it's reaching up to that next level. I feel like we know it's going up there.
I
In
could take a
fact, you could
call
take
on the
the
next
next
candle.
candle.
Do
Yeah,
you want me
you could
to,
take. Yeah, you could take the next candle. It's probably going up. Yeah.
or
Well,
is it going to
wait,
consolidate?
wait,
I don't
just
know. It
wait,
might
just wait,
consolidate,
just
so
wait.
I'm gonna
Yeah,
wait.
just wait, just wait. If it's it's
Yeah,
it's
this might
it's
turn
kind
into
of
a
like it's kind of
consolidation. Yeah,
set it up its own little line here. It's kind of
but is it
nervous.
going to go down or up from here? Because the
Well, you've got
stochastic
two
is
things.
freaking down. So
Stochastic's kicking down, but the next level of resistance or support is up there. It wants to go up to it,
resistance. Yeah, right.
but it is oversold. I mean, overbought, right?
Yeah.
It's in consolidation now, so anything you would do would take the flip.
Well,
You know,
yeah.
I mean, I don't know, man. This it's like it's an if it broke out of this box, maybe it is going down, but it just has a lot of up pressure. You
Right.
know, we're in scary waters right here, so don't do anything
No, I'm not.
because dang it, Intel did exactly what I thought it was freaking gonna do.
Did it?
That's okay. That's okay. Yeah,
This is going to go back up, I think, or down. I don't know. It might just be rounding down from here. Let me see what it looks like. Yeah, I think it's going to go down from here. I could wait till it goes up and then put it for a minute, but
yeah, but it's not on a line. That would be dangerous because it might just stay here for two more candle. You know, you mean do a minute? Just put it.
for one
Yeah,
minute, yeah.
but it could
But
go up from right here.
it could. You don't know. Yeah.
It's because it's like it's in a weird little. My gut feeling is it wants to go up from here. It wants to reach that next level.
Mm-hmm.
And if I did anything, I'd be calling it at the bottom of the next candle for like 2 minutes or 3 minutes.
But it's dropping down a lot. It's got some down pressure,
Yeah.
and it's moving down. Look at these. Look at these candles. So the box looks like it's headed downward.
Well, a little bit.
Maybe not, but
It's definitely in its own decision.
if you zoom out, dude, if you kind of zoom out, it looks like it's curving around. It looks like a straight line when it's big, but
Yeah. It looks like
okay,
it's
we got
curving.
some spam going on.
It looks like it's curving out, but like
But it could, yeah, I really don't know which way it's going to go. I know it's trying to break out upward.
yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like if it breaks out, it could break out and go. But are we totally out of our element right now?
I
Because
mean,
right
this is
now,
it's typically not what we're looking for,
yeah, let's
but
just look at a different
we
chart here.
could find a win on it when we know which way it's going to go.
Yeah, but look at American Express. It's definitely going to turn around here pretty soon. It's at a line and it's got some good candles. It's not consolidating. It's going to hit this line up here. It's got a little candle. It is kind of close to the white line. It's oversold, or overbought though. It's at a line. It's got a little red candle pull back here. I don't know what that means. It's not going to engulf because it's a huge candle. So I don't know about that, but it did hit that line up there, but it could consolidate. It kind of went up, went through that white line. I'm just gonna look for some better stuff because that one is just we don't know what's gonna.
If this, I don't know. This could go 2 candles or it could just be one. I don't know. Do you want me to take it?
No.
Okay.
Do you? I mean, look, it's still consolidating. I mean, what were you gonna do? Put it?
I was going to.
But see,
right, give me a second. Keep looking around. I'll be right back. Hold on.
Okay, I'm not. Yeah, don't do nothing on this chart. This chart's jank. All right, folks. Yeah, I guess if you're still sitting there, I'm looking at charts, trying to find a pattern that's going to turn around, and I don't know. I don't see anything that's just really that I'm in love with yet. I don't see anything. CAD CHF does kind of look like it hit a line and it's heading back up, but it's so close to the white line. A lot of these are close to the white line, which means they can go either way. I'm looking for them to be moving in the right direction. Oh, wow. Yeah, see, I think this is wanting to go up to that next level. That's right. That's not right there. Yeah, that was not good either. This just kind of looks weird. Looks weird too. Oh, that was a good one right there. That would have been a win. That would have been a good win. So they're out there, folks. They're out there. The wins are out there. Hey, if you are still watching us, listening to us, you can listen to us on Spotify, I think on Apple iTunes and everything like that. This is episode 76. And it's the beginning of our climb from $150 to $1 million a year. So we'll see if we can make it happen. Definitely think it can happen. Tonight we've had a loss, a win, and a loss. So that's pretty good. Looking for one more single win to put us in the money for tonight for our 4 wins. This chart is completely out of the loop now. This one is going down. Oh, we're at a line here. We got a line here on this one, and then it goes down to another line down here. This is another line of specific. So actually, I think this one is gonna break this. Oh well, this one could retract off this line actually. So it's going down. It's gonna. I think it's going down. I think you're on this line right here. I think you could probably take a put right here for like a minute or two. You'd be totally fine. Wants to come off this line. It's saying it wants to come off that line, but to me, the line is weak and it is a downtrend. I think it's going to be a put. I think that you could put this for about 3 minutes right here. I think it's going to go back down. That's my guess. We'll keep watching it. I wish Todd was here because I would have encouraged him to put that one because it's on that line, but I think that line is going to break. I think it's going to break that line. The line is not strong enough. I don't think this line is strong enough. I think it's in a massive downtrend. It's just doing this. I think it's going to keep going. It's been going down each level every time. If we would have taken that one right here, I'm going to draw a little line right here. If we would have taken a put right at the top of this green candle for like 3 minutes, it would have been good. Let's watch and see. Unless it consolidates or bounces off that line, I think it would have been fine to take a put right there. I know that this is a line of support, but I really think it's going to break it. I really think it's going to go down to the next level. Maybe because of the MACD. Just my gut feeling says it's going to break that. That would have been that one and then this one. Alejandro. So good. Tonight, we've had a loss, 3 wins, and a loss. So when Todd gets back, we could take this next trade. And we're going for 4 wins tonight. We just need one more win. And I think we could have had it there. I'm going to keep looking at this. The second level is going to be down here. So if Todd gets back, if it gets down to the second level, maybe it'll go to the white line from down here. Alejandro, I've been doing your method for a while, the 30-second, 2-minute trades. I've been doing pretty good on that.
I'm here.
Dude, okay. I didn't trade, but this is I called this one right. Go to Intel. I think what's happening on Intel is it's at a line and it kind of retracted up from that line. And I was like, man, we should have put it. And I would have put it for 2 minutes and I would have won big time.
That's not my strategy.
I know, but I think it's going down to the second level. So it's got 2 levels of resistance. One's here, one support line here. It's breaking below it now. So I think it's going to go to this next level and then turn around.
You want to take a put on it? Is that what you want to do?
Not right now. I mean, I wanted to when that green candle came in because I thought that green candle was just a little retraction from the downtrend because I think it's going down to the next level.
You think it's going to throw another red candle or?
Yeah, you probably. I mean, it might go back up from here. Don't
it looks like it's retracting.
Don't do anything right now.
I'm not doing anything stupid.
We got to wait until
Okay, is there a line? Is that at a line? Because this may. Do you think this could?
Yeah, it's at a line. Right now, it's at a line right now. It's at a pretty decent.
Do you think this could throw 2 candles like this? Or do you think it's just going to play around like it's doing and just go down?
My gut feeling is that it's already broken the line that it was on. The line was at the bottom of that large red candle. That was the line. And then it went up from there and then it broke through it. So now my gut is it's going down to the next line. That's my gut feeling.
Oh, hey, Alejandro. Alejandro.
Alex.
I'm going to call him Alex.
Okay,
I have a hard time with that. Hope you're feeling better, my friend. I've had that. I know how that is. It's not fun.
Yes, I don't know. It's underneath that line. It wants to go back up to it.
Yeah, this is, I don't know.
It's not your method, but I think that would have.
See, this could go up. I feel like calling this.
Well, it's at a line right now. So, yeah, if it breaks above there and you think it's going up.
Kind of missed it because it dojied out and then.
Well, that's your first real engulfing candle. So if you think it's going to throw another one, then it's at its line right now. So it could go back down. So, I mean, if you think it's going up, call it from down there. But I mean, if it's not your method,
do you think it's going down?
My gut feeling is it was going down, but it could turn around at any time. So, you know what I mean? It's been going up for a couple candles here and there.
I don't want to place a losing trade.
Don't place a losing trade. You're not in this yet. Your head's not in this one.
I'm watching it. I mean, my instinct was right. It did exactly what I thought. When I saw that go, when it dojis out like that, okay, that usually means a lot of times, but there's a doji back there that it just went straight down.
Exactly. Yeah, that's what I
So
mean. I think that it's
I
probably
could probably call this one if it dips, but I don't know. You think it's going to go up?
yeah, probably. I mean, I don't know. It's wanted to go up before, but it wants to go down. It's in a massive downtrend. So if it gets any lower and you think the next one's going up, then you could use your instinct. We only need one more win. I mean, it's moving slow. If it,
But I
this
want it to be a win. I
right
don't
here
want
is
it
a
to be a
line. If
loss.
you called it from here, you might be okay. Like a little
Right
bit
now?
lower. Right where it wicked out is the line. It's in line with that big red candle.
What? Which? Oh, the big. Okay, I
The
see it.
bottom of the big red candle is the bottom of the line, and it touched that line, and I would call it from a line when it bumps down there again. If you're going to call it, if you think this
It may
next
not
candle's
get
going
there.
green, well, it might be going
You
up
want
from
me to call
here.
it from here?
Sure. I mean, if you think it's going up from here, do you think it's going up from here?
Well,
It's
I think it
it's
is. I think
it's
it's going to
not
go
hit
up.
it didn't hit the line quite yet, but yeah, I
No, but
mean,
it dipped down, and I think it's going to go up. So
yeah, it did dip down. Todd's killer instinct. Hey, so Alejandro's had a COVID for the first time. He's recovering. He's going to be recovering from COVID.
oh yeah,
And
he's
COVID
pushing
friends,
up green,
man.
bro. He's
Dude,
pushing up
I've been
green.
sick for like 3 weeks, man. I think I tested negative for COVID, but I've been coughing my butt off. I've been on antibiotics. They worked, and then they didn't work. And this has got to go up, dude. This has got to go up. Come on, baby. We just need this one win. I need this one win.
Come on, stay green. Keep pushing up. Keep pushing up. Come
Come
on,
on,
push up.
come on. We got this, man. Yeah, it's fighting to go up. It wants to go up bad.
It
Why is it
does.
bouncing? It
It
dojied.
does. It's
You got
going
a
up.
good
It's
position.
going
You have
up.
killer
It's going up.
instinct. If you win this, man, I'm gonna kiss you. I'm gonna
No,
come all the way to
I don't
Ohio and
need the
kiss you.
kiss, but
Oh my
but
gosh, dude.
but I think we're gonna win it, bro.
Baby, yeah,
I
there it
think
is.
we're gonna win it.
Did we win it?
Happy dance, bro. Happy
Okay.
dance. All right, man. That is a show right there, man. This is how we're supposed to do the fascinating world of binary options. We're supposed to come in, kill it for a few trades, not kill ourselves, just kill it, and figuratively speaking. And yeah, look at that. 2 losses tonight, 4 wins. Flawless victory. Thank you, buddy. I
Yeah.
feel like we're back in the game, and we made major progress because these were bigger trades than we normally do. I mean, they're not big trades; they're $3.30, but we're starting out with a much higher amount at risk. And
Yeah, we are. And that was very safe. That last trade was I feel like it was a little crazy. Like it wasn't like quite your method. But I've been watching this for a while.
no, it was my method. It was my method, but it was a little. It was like a candle or two
Late.
in.
Yeah, because
it was a candle in.
you should have picked it up on that doji at the bottom.
And I went for a third one, which I don't normally do, and probably wouldn't make a habit of it. But
You took it on that red dip, didn't you?
Yeah,
But the thing is man, that could have went the wrong way. And that first that green candle.
I had a feeling it was going up. We kind of knew it was going up because that red candle ended higher. It was a higher low, so we knew it was moving up.
Yeah, it was a good trade. It's still going up, but because it's been. I mean, I've been watching this for a while and thinking it's going to go up.
Yeah.
But it went down. That big red candle is the bottom of its support. It went under it a little bit, and then it started to go above it, and then it just is going up to the white line. Now it'll hit the white line. Hopefully, it'll hit the white line and turn around and go back down. I'm guessing, right?
Probably. Yeah. What you said.
So, Alejandro, I hope you get better, man.
Yeah, me too. Me too. But hey, I'm glad because we've been gone for a while, so I'm glad you picked up that we were here and stopped in to, greet us and say hi and chat with us for a little bit. We didn't die. We didn't fall off the face of the earth. So,
I have been sick for like weeks, man. What if I am dying? Knock on wood.
Yeah, so we're here, man, and we're gonna get back at it, dude. we're gonna win this, man. We're gonna win this. I think we're gonna do good. So I like how every win counts. With the 2.25 makeup, every win counts.
Starting a 90-day climb right now. If you want to get our charts by going fascinatingworldofbinaryoptions.com, join the inner circle. It's free. Get our latest charts in our Google Drive, and we've completed this level right here. So completed a level, dude.
Yeah, I understand. You got to get your head better. Uh,
Yeah.
and
Are you like he said he had COVID, man?
I know, I know.
Um,
I heard him. I heard him say it. I heard
I
him type it.
it's terrible, dude. I mean,
Yeah, I read it in the comments.
that's terrible. Having COVID is terrible.
Yeah, I
I've
had
had
it.
COVID like 9 times or something.
You haven't had it at all, have you?
I don't know.
You've
I've
been
never
sick, but you never really tested for
I've
it.
never been tested. I tested this time and it was said no, but I'm like, still,
I
it
think
feels
they
like
I think they put it on the test so that you get it.
put COVID on the test.
I think they put it on the test
Oh
and tell you to
crap,
take the
dude, you're
test.
right. I shoved that thing up my nose in my house.
And then you got sick, right?
Then I got more
No
sick.
joke, dude. I took a test, okay, because I uh, went to Tennessee with my family, and my son got it while we were there. And I took him to the hospital because he wasn't feeling good, and they tested him, and we all kind of like had colds while we were there. Like I had a little bit of a sore throat, like a little bit of cold. Nothing that got in the way of my vacation, but he was like in bed. So when we got back, I took a test just because I felt kind of, like I had a little bit of a cold, but it was nothing serious. And we all kind of felt that way, and none of us were positive. I mean, it took them there, and then 2 weeks after that, I got it for real. So, and I knew it. So,
You got
because it
COVID for
was,
real?
yeah,
This year or is that last year?
that was July of last year. Yeah. Um. So, yeah. So how long did it take us? Did we do it within an hour?
Yeah, it was an hour. Our whole show's
Okay.
been an hour and 7 minutes, so I mean we didn't start trading right away.
Yeah. Yeah. Did that feel pretty safe?
Yeah, yeah, I felt pretty safe. I mean, we only went to a second trade twice. I mean, and I think you're being more careful. I think we're because we only have to win 4. I think we're being a lot more careful.
Right.
I think a couple of those trades seemed a little crazy, but then again, we kind of get the feel for it.
Mm.
That last one was kind of a narrow win, but I mean the turnaround works. I guess it's just figuring out. We don't want to overthink it and change our strategy. We just want to
Right.
keep picking up one candle turnarounds, and if we think it's going to be a longer turnaround, like that one that we saw,
Then you make it a little bit longer
just
trade.
make like a 3-minute trade and just wait for it to win.
Right.
Yeah. I mean, 4 trades you increased by $10. So what's your account at now?
It
4.
is at 423.17.
Yeah.
That's pretty good. It's pretty good.
Yeah. It's gonna be like this every night, dude.
Yeah, I hope so.
Just got to keep our head straight and use your instinct. I mean, if you see a thing that you think is going to win, you don't have to consult me. But that's the danger when we trade together. Like, should I take it? I don't know. Should I do it? Yeah. It's like sometimes you just have to feel it and know. Like you're hitting the
Well,
buttons.
ultimately, I did. Yeah, but
Yeah, a couple of those you just took them because you're like you saw them and they were there. So you
but
got
you're
that's
looking at the lines, and I'm not really looking at the line. I'm looking at the candle. So it's kind of important, to know where that line is, because
Oh yeah, the lines and the indicators. Yeah, I'm
So
looking at.
you're looking at the line. I'm looking at the candle itself, and you're telling me where the line is. So that's important, dude. That makes a difference. Um.
Yeah. Yeah, the lines tend to make a difference. I mean, I think if you get like on that 3-minute trade, we got above that line and it was really safe because it wasn't probably going to break above that. And it kind of just kind of farting around, especially when it's oversold up there or overbought. All right, that's it for tonight, folks, on live stream. We're going to see you guys tomorrow night. My wife okayed the show. She was like, my producer said you can do it. So,
Your producer. Did she really tell you could do that?
I guess, yeah.
What did you say?
Actually, my son saw me Facebook messaging you and went in there and was like, Daddy's going to trade at 10 o'clock at 159.
What did she say?
She's like, okay.
Yeah. My dad was like, I was like, yeah, we're going to go live streaming again. He's like, did Eric get a divorce?
That's funny, dude. That's funny.
So, yeah.
It's funny right there. All right, so we'll see you guys tomorrow night. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and go over on Spotify and iTunes. Give us like an awesome rating. That might help the channel. I don't know. We'll see you next time.
Bye.